In today's video, we're making the best post-run pancake. There are 4 key components to post-workout nutrition. Number 1 is getting protein intake in. Number 2, carbohydrates to activate insulin and also allow your muscles to absorb the nutrients. Number 3 is adequate calories or appropriate amount of energy. And lastly would be electrolytes and micronutrients. So this isn't just a plain old-fashioned pancake recipe. I include all 4 of these components, and let's look at these ingredients right now. Number 1 is I use organic whole milk. Whole milk has more nutrients. It has a lot of micronutrients, electrolytes, and protein. Number 2, I use some oats and also all-purpose flour for carbohydrate intake. Lastly, or a couple more things, I use Greek yogurt. Just non-fat Greek yogurt has a lot of protein. I throw a banana in there just to add some sweetness to the pancake and also just make it a little smoother a texture. I include 2 eggs just as a binder, extra protein, micronutrients, and also some fat and choline. And then lastly, I do a dash of baking powder and maple syrup just to add some flavor. A little bit of salt is also important to include in the recipe. So now let's dive into making the